Thank you very much. Unfortunately, Belarus is not the only place with endangered democracy. Listening to this debate today, many people in Europe will ask themselves, and where are my freedoms? What about repression against us in Europe? What about repression against the people who just want to be free from the mandatory nature of digital COVID certificate, a useless document for prevention? Protests, we speak of protests in Belarus 1 year ago, but we cannot see the protests in our own capitals today. We speak of dictatorship, but where is democracy in our own countries? Is a bleeding person hit by the police in Minsk more important to us than a bleeding person in Berlin or Paris protests? We are blackmailing our citizens. Policies have been installed that have stolen their normal life. You cannot keep your job without the DGC. You cannot enter a public building without the DGC. There is even an idea rolling that the staff will not be permitted into this very building, in the European Parliament, without a DGC. If this continues, we can throw to the trash decades of work on declarations, resolutions, and conventions that speak of rights and freedoms. Thank you.